To have successful canning, you have to use the freshest produce possible.
This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.
As you prepare to can your produce, as we move into canning season, you want to keep in mind to use the freshest produce that you can get your hands on, whether this be something that you harvest from your garden, that you get from the farmer's market, or maybe just from the fruit truck location stop drop-off or your local CSA. Many people end up with soggy or mushy pickles, cucumber pickles, and it's because they're not harvesting their cucumbers at the peak of the season, at the peak of the harvest. What you want to do is make sure you're using the freshest pickles possible, and when you're canning them, to make sure you're moving quickly and swiftly to prevent them from getting soggy and mushy. When it comes to canning things like fruit, if it tends to float, it's because that fruit is possibly overripe. So when you're canning fruit, you want to make sure you're using properly ripe fruit, but not overly ripe fruit, and that way it will not float. If it does float, it's not a huge issue, but it's something to keep in mind. Canning fruit or vegetables that are overripe is not the worst thing in the world, but it does make the shelf-stable life shorter. When you can vegetables or fruit that are properly ripe, they will be shelf-stable longer. This is information that is good for home canners that are new to canning or have had many fails in the past years, so that you can have the freshest produce stored shelf-stable for the winters to come.
This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.